Confirmed on screen 3. The structural integrity is optimal.
Are nominal.
Confirmed. The robotics assembly sequence is holding tolerance.
Secure.
Reading nominal on all sensors. Checklist complete. Easy now. Slow it down.
Alignment holding steady at 0.05. Looks good. Proceed with final approach. Check the thermal gradient on section 4. It's holding steady. The alignment is perfect. All right, slowly now. Keep it steady on the starboard side. We are...
Every journey to space begins as raw material. Here, metal, science, and human precision come together to build a machine meant to leave Earth.
If we adjust the feed rate here, we optimize the cutting path by 15%.
Agreed. The simulation shows that aligns with the material stress limits.
Under thousands of tons of pressure, this glowing billet is forged into the critical structural components vital for rocket construction.
Look at the surface quality right here. The polish isn't uniform.
Yeah, I'm getting a high roughness reading on the scanner.
Here in the clean room, precision is everything. The turbopump components must meet the tightest tolerances before final assembly.
Torque set. We have seal integrity.
Copy. Initiating flow sequence in T-minus 10.
Pressure climbing past 800.
I am bringing the regulator on live now.
Keep a close eye on that seal, Jose.
Cross-referencing the bonding sequence with the structural analysis report.
The thermal readout looks stable.
Pressure is steady at 1500 psi.
Check the strain gauges on the lower bulkhead.
All diagnostics are green across the board.
Confirmed. Ready for final approval.
Every part is welded with extreme care because space allows no mistakes. Precision is what keeps the rocket together under heat, vibration, and pressure.
It is here, at the points of integration, that we see how these small, meticulously crafted
Cross-referencing auxiliary power conduit 3. Schematics match the physical interface.
Verified on tablet display. All systems are registering active and stable.
seal integrity looks good with the UV light.
Sensor readings confirm no leaks on the fuel line.
Solid connection.
The assembly requires flawless execution, combining the speed of automation with the calibrated precision of the human technicians.
Ensure the torque setting is correct on clamp 4B.
Confirmed. Moving to the next sequence. The robot is stable.
Installation coverage looks good here.
Clearances are nominal on this section. We are ready to proceed.
Electrical conduit 42 reading stable.
Confirmed on schematic. Applying label.
This is where the raw composite materials are transformed. The automated machines work with incredible precision before the final hand inspection.
Inside these furnaces, the very structure of the metal is transformed, monitored meticulously by the engineering team.
Final alignment check. Lowering sequence engaged.
We have lock verification on all supports. Good job.
Here in the integration bay, these colossal sections are moving closer to final assembly. Standing over 100 meters tall, the core stage is the most powerful component of the rocket.
Scissors. We need to verify the mounting points for the forward tank before we proceed with the integration sequence.
The laser scan shows slight.
Make sure the edges align perfectly with the frame.
Almost there. The sealant goes next, right?
The pressure test results are satisfactory.
All parameters in the green. Ready for final sign-off. Life support nominal.
And inventory confirmed. We are go for launch.
Container secured in Bay 3. Confirmed. Logging complete.
We are approaching the alignment markers.
Confirmed. Trajectory holding steady. Proceed. Torque wrench engaged on fitting 7.
Confirmed green on Bank 1 scrubbers. Oxygen levels stable.
This pressure spike here, just before the weld.
It's negligible. The alignment is holding steady.
How are the readings on that last panel?
Green across the board, thermal signature is nominal.
Diagnostics initializing. Check signal response on Module 4.
Copy that. Steady green. System pass confirmed.
Rocket seats are designed to absorb extreme forces during launch and landing. Their shape, padding, and restraints protect the crew by spreading acceleration loads across the body.
The alignment is stable. Proceed with the final descent. We are clear for mating.
Initiation sequence complete. Power transfer stabilizing.
Confirmed. All indicators green on telemetry. Rehearsal looks nominal. Initiating final sequence check. Life support is green.
Restraints secure. Scanning complete.
All systems nominal. Final go.
Telemetry stable.
Copy that. Guidance is green.
T-minus 5 minutes and counting. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Propulsion systems are reported stable. Flight.
Copy that. We are go for launch.
If this journey from raw materials to the edge of space interested you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more stories like this.